A 80 Newton weight hung on the end of helical spring and is set vibration vertically. The weight makes 4 oscillations per second and determine the stiffness of the spring. Okay. Here weight is given as 80 Newton and frequency is given as 4 cycles per second or 4 oscillations per second. If weight is known, we can find out the mass. Mass is equal to weight divided by acceleration due to gravity, that is 80 divided by 9.81 kilograms. Okay. And frequency is 4 cycles per second. The equation for frequency we know omega n is equal to 2 pi f and frequency is equal to omega n divided by 2 pi. Okay, that is 1 by 2 pi into omega n is square root of k by m. Okay, so frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of k by m. Okay, if we take the square, frequency square is equal to 1 by 2 pi square into k by m. Here they asked us to determine the stiffness of the spring, that is k. K is equal to frequency square into 4 pi square into m. Okay, frequency square is 4 and pi square 4 square pi square into 4 into mass is 80 divided by 9.81. The answer is 5151 Newton per meter.